student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 Algebra, exercise 11.3. Question number 3. Question number 3 have identify the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, division to the following expression and left how the expressions have been found. Okay, I repeat this question again. In this question asks to us identify the operation. Which operation? Arithmetic operation. It is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In following the expression and tell how the expression have been found. So let's see. First part of this question is given x plus 5. X plus 5. So here which operation is used? Obviously you can see here plus. So operation used is addition. Addition operation is used. This is clear because x plus 5 plus represent addition. So addition operation is used here. And next is that forming the expression. Tell how the expression have been found. How this expression have been found? So you can say 5 is 5 added 2x. How this expression found? So here 5 added 2x. In this way, this expression x plus 5 is found. 5 added 2x, and which option is used here? Addition. Now, the second part is 3 y minus 7. Second part is given here y minus 7. So here which operation is used? Obviously you can say y minus 7. This is minus. Minus represents subtraction. So subtraction operation is used here. And how to this expression have been found? How the expression have been found? Then you can say 5 subtracted from y. You can write here 5 subtracted from y. This is here. You can see here y. This is given expression y minus 5. In this expression, subtraction operation is used. Subtraction operation is used. How to form? How to expression have been found? So you can see 5 subtracted from y. This is clear. Now the third part. Of this question number 3 is that 3z. 3z means you can say this is equal to, you can write it 3 into z. So which operation is used here? Obviously you can say multiplication. Okay, which operation is used here? A multiplication. So operation is, you write multiplication. Okay. Now after this we tell that the expression how the expression have been found. Okay. So you can say here you can say 3z. So you can say z is multiplied by 3. Okay. You write z is multiplied by 3. Z is multiplied by 3. This is clear. So this is 3Z means 3 into Z. This is equal to here operation is used multiplication, and how this form. So Z is multiplied by 3. Okay. So student, now the next part, fourth part of this question is P by 5. Okay. So fourth part, this is equal to, this is given P by 5. So here which operation is used? Division. Division is used here. Okay. Because 5 divides P. So how these expressions have been formed? So you can say P divided by 5. Okay, P divided by 5. So here you can write P divided by 5. This is clear. So I hope all of you understood this part. Now the next part of this question is 2x plus 17. Okay, so let's see what have in next part, in part 5 of question number 3. Question number 3. This is a 5 part. Fifth part of this question. This is given 2x plus 17. 2x plus 17. So here first multiplication 2x. 2x is equal to, you can write 2 into x. So multiplication is used here, plus here addition. So you write which operation is used here? Multiplication and addition. Multiplication and addition. Multiplication and addition are used here. But how the expression have been formed? So for this you can write here x multiplied by 2, and then the result is added, or you can say and 17 is added to the result. This is clear. Here you can write how expression have been formed. So x is multiplied by x is multiplied by 2, and then 17 added to the result. Okay. X is multiplied by 2, and then 17 is added to the result. Okay. Now next part of this question is 6th part. 6th part is that 3y minus 5. Okay. Let's see what happened in 6th part. 3y minus 5. So here we can write here 6th part 3y minus 5. Clear? Now, so here you can see multiplication and subtraction operation are used. So here you write multiplication and subtraction. Operation are used here. Okay. how the expression have been found. How the expression have been found? For this, first write here y multiplied by 3. Write here y is multiplied by 3 and then 5 is subtracted from the result. This is clear? Okay. In these expressions, multiplication and subtraction are used, and how the given expression have been found. So for this you can see first y is multiplied by 3, you can see here after, then 5 is subtracted from the result. Okay, what is the result? 3y. We also write y is multiplied by 3, after this 5 is subtracted from 3y, but here we write y is multiplied by 3 and then 5 is subtracted from the product of the result. This is clear? Now the next part, 7 part is given minus 7m plus 2 by 3. Here given the 7 part of this question, minus 7m plus 2 by 3. So here, what is the operation is used here? What is the operation is used here? So you can see here multiplication and this is addition. This is not subtraction. Okay, this is negative integer, not subtraction is used here. Here only multiplication and addition. So write here multiplication and addition are used. Okay, how the expression have been found. So for this you can write here first m is multiplied by minus 7 and the result, and then then 2 by 3 is added to the result. Okay, so you can write here how do the expression have been found. For this you write here m is multiplied by minus 7 and then 2 by 3 is added to the result. This is clear? In this expression you can see the multiplication and addition option are used and how the expression have been found. So you can write m is multiplied by minus 7 and the result is added by 2 by 3. Okay. Now the next part you can say it's a last part is given here, x by 3 minus 15. Okay, let's see in this last part of this question number 3 is given here, x by 3 minus 15. Okay, so this is the part 7, x by 3 minus 15. So here first we need to write that how what operation is used here. So here you can subtraction, this is a division. So first division after the subtraction. So we write here division and the subtraction. Division and subtractions. ठीक है. This is the case of division. X by 3 means division after this subtractions. Okay. So here you can see in this expression division and subtraction option is used. We need to write here how the expression has been formed. So first you write x divided by 3 and then 15 subtracted from the quotient. Okay, you can write here x is divided by 3 and then you can say then 15 is subtracted from the quotient then 15 is subtracted from the quotient okay. So this is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Okay. So in this way we completed this question number 3 of this exercise 12.3. Okay. Now the next question is that question number 4. Question number 4 has write the expression for the following 7 added to p. Okay. Question number 4. What happened? Question number 4. Write the expression for the following. Okay. This is question number 4. First part. Expression is given. We write the expression for the following 7 added to p. This is 7 added to p. So expression for this, so you can write it. This is equal to p plus 11. 11 added to p plus 11. This is clear. Now the second part of this question. What is the second part of this question? Second part of this question is p subtracted from 7. P subtracted from 7. So p subtracted from 7, it means that p subtracted from 7. This is equal to what? 7 minus p. This is clear. P subtracted from 7. This is equal to 7 minus p. And the next is p multiplied by 7. This is third part. P multiplied by 7. This is equal to, you can write p into 7 or this is equal to 7. Okay. Now the fourth part of this question is that p divided by 7. P divided by 7. So you can write here p by 7. P by 7. This is clear. Now after this, the fifth part of this question number 4 is that 7 divided by p. 7 divided by p. This is equal to, we can write 7 by p. Now, the next part of this question, sixth part is 7 subtracted from minus. Sixth part is that 7 subtracted from minus m. This is equal to, you can write, this is equal to minus m minus 7. And last 8th part, 7th part of this question. Okay? 7th part of this question is that p multiplied by minus 5. P multiplied by minus 5 is equal to p multiplied by minus 5 into p. Okay? This is equal to minus 5 p. This is p multiplied by minus 5. And 8th part is minus p divided by 5. Minus p divided by 5 means this is minus p divided by 5. Clear? So in this way we also complete and this question number 4 of this exercise 11.3. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 4 of this exercise 11.3. So let's see what have been question number 4. Now in question number 5. So I hope all of you understood this question, question number 4. After this, we start question number 5 of this exercise 11.3. This is clear? Now, so first part of question number 5 is that actually question number 5 है write expansion for the following. First part is 11 added to 2m. 11 added to 2m. This is equal to what? This is equal to you can write it 2m plus 11. This is clear because 11 added to 2m, so you can write it 2m plus 11. This is the algebraic expression of this given word. Okay, now second part. In second part is that 11 subtracted from 2m. 11 subtracted from 2m. This is equal to 2m minus 11. Here 11 subtracted from 2m means 2m minus 11. Okay, now the third is 3 added to 5 times of y. Here this is third. 3 added to 5 times y. Okay, 5 times of y is equal to what? 5 times of y is equal to 5 into y. This is 5 times of y, or you can write it 5y. Clear? So this becomes 5y. After this 3 added, so you add here 5y plus 3. So you write here 5y plus 3. This is clear? Now the next part, fourth part is that 3 subtracted from 5 times of y. This is the fourth part. 3 subtracted from 5 times of y. This is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write 5y minus 3. Clear? 5 times of y means 5 into y. This is equal to 5y. This is the 5 times y. 5 times of y. After this 3 is subtracted from 5 times of y, it means that 5y minus 3. This is clear. Now the fourth part is that fifth part, y multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added the result. Next part, fifth part is given here. Y multiplied by minus 8 and then y multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result and then 5 is added to the result. 5 is added to the result. This is clear. Y multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result. Okay. Now, so if you multiply y and the minus 8, then you get minus 8 into y. This becomes minus 8y. Okay. After that, 5 is added. So you can add here plus 5. Clear? So you can write here like this. This implies that minus 8y plus 5. Okay. Now the next part of this question is sixth part. What is the sixth part? Sixth part is that y is multiplied by 5 and then the result is subtracted from 16. Sixth part is that sixth part is y is multiplied by 5 and then the result is subtracted from 16. Okay. So here first y multiplied by 5, so we get 5y. Y multiplied by 5, so we get 5y, and after this 5y, result is 5y and result is subtracted from 16, so you can write here this is equal to 16 minus 5. Okay, because in this question this is given y multiplied by 5y, y is multiplied by 5, so result will be 5y, and the question told us that and then the result means 5y is subtracted from 16, then the result is 5y is subtracted from 16. This is equal to 16 minus 5y. This is clear. Now in this way we complete these questions. Question number 5. Now we are going to discuss question number 6. Question number 6 is given that write the following mathematical forms using sign and symbols. I repeat this question again. This is given that write the following in the mathematical form using sign and symbols. So first part of question number 6 is that 6 more than thrice a number. 6 more than thrice a number x. Okay. So let's see how to solve this question. First we erase them. After this, thrice a number x. So number is given x. So thrice a number. So 3 into x. Okay. So 3 into x is 3x. 6 more than x plus 6. So in this way you can write it 3x plus 6. Okay. Now here we write this is question number 6. First part. This is given 6 more than thrice a number x. 6 more than thrice number x. Okay. So number x, 3 times of x is equal to what? 3 times of x means 3 into x. This is equal to 3x. So here it is thrice of x. More than, more means plus. Okay. You use more or plus. Plus or more. 6. So here you write 6. Clear? Thrice a number x, so 3x. More plus. How many more? 6. So it's become 6x. This is clear? Now, the second part of this question is that 7 taken away from y. Second part is here. 7 taken away from y. 7 taken away from y means taken away means minus. Where minus? From y. So you can write y minus 7. 7 taken away from y. So y minus 7. This is clear. Now, the third part of this question is that 3 less than quotient of x by y. Quotient of x by y means if you divide x by y, then you get quotient. After this, we subtract 3. Then you get the exact number. 3 less than quotient of x by y. 3 less than quotient of x by y. This is equal to what? This is equal to quotient of x by y is equal to x. You can write here x by y. X by y. 3 less than less represent minus sign. Minus. How many less? 3. Okay. So student, in this way we complete this question number 6 of exercise 11.3. I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.